Hello and welcome back to the Music Educator Channel, where education and inspiration find their way into our lives. If you're returning after a break, we've missed you, and we're thrilled to have you back in our community of music enthusiasts and learners. We've been busy tuning our content to ensure every note resonates with your musical journey. Whether you're here to brush up on your skills, learn something new, or just enjoy the symphony of learning, we're here to strike the right chord with you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're excited to be back, and subscribe if you haven't already to stay updated with all our latest tutorials, tips, and toe-tapping performances. Let's make music together again. Stay tuned for today's lesson, and remember, every day is a chance to fine-tune our craft and compose our story. Thank you for being a part of our community here at the Music Educator Channel. Until next time, keep practicing and keep the music playing. Goodbye for now.